Yes.
Okay. All right, Skong. So we are going to continue our lesson. So this time we will discuss different kinds of question. Okay. So mm, for this lesson, you will be given a chance to give prices of different items. Okay.
Okay.
Wait a minute. Okay. So can you please read the 21? Number 21 question.
How much is coffee?
Okay, so the question is, how much is coffee? So in your place, Kong, how much is coffee there?
They are they are thirty
Is of
thousand dollars.
how much?
$30,000.
I can't hear you properly. Can you please check your mic?
30,000.
It's choppy. I can't hear you properly.
Tôi không thể nghe rõ bạn nói gì.
Can you hear me now?
Oh, okay, that's good. Okay,
Um,
again, how much is coffee in your place?
$30,000.
So Viet Vietnam. I will convert it to Vietnam money to what did you say again? 30,000, right?
Yes.
Oh, so it's 69 pesos here in the Philippines. Okay. So Kong in letter A, student A. So I will be the student A, okay?
Okay.
So I will going to ask you. Ask student B for the prices of two of the items below, okay? So there are four items. First is a candy bar, a DVD, a bottle of water, and a bowl of noodles. Okay? So the instruction there is student B will going to give prices two of the items. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Can you please choose two of the items and give prices each?
Um, the candy bear is uh, the
Okay,
candy bear. The candy bear is um
how much is a
um
candy bar in your place?
um $15,000.
2,000 dom. How much is that in Philippines? Okay, 34 pesos. Okay, next item.
Um, a bottle of water. Um,
Bottle of water. How much is that?
uh, 5,000.
5,000?
5,000.
Is it right? 5,000?
Yes.
Okay. So here in the Philippines, it's 11.58. All right. All right. This time we are going to change roles. Okay. So you will ask me what are the two items that I need to give prices. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So start. You will ask me, Teacher Juna, what are the two items? Or choose
Um,
the. Okay.
how much is the DVD?
Okay. A DVD. Do you know what is a DVD?
Yes.
Okay. A DVD here in the Philippines cost, sometimes the cheaper one is, so in Vietnam it's 21,585.74.
Okay.
Okay, next item.
How much is a bowl of noodles?
Okay, cup noodles. It's the cheaper one. It's in Vietnam when we convert it, so it's 9,497.72. Okay, so let's go to this question. Sentence. I can ask about prices, so you will rate yourself. Is it very well, or I need more
Um,
practice?
Very well.
Okay, very good. It's very well. Sorry. Okay, next. I can give prices. Is it very well, or I need more practice?
Very well.
Okay, very well. Okay, so did you understand or do you understand this part?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, so let's go to number 22. What is the question?
Um,
Did you take?
uh, uh, uh,
Oh,
will
you
you take $22?
dollars. Okay, so let's convert $20 to mm, to US dollars. Okay. So what? How many $20? So it's 508,000, 508,400. Okay, so that is the money in Vietnam. So let's go to the activity, proper activity. In student A, take something from your bag and put it on your desk. Sell it to student B for a good price. Okay?
Okay.
All right. So I will give you something. I will have an example. Okay, Gong?
Okay.
All right. So can you see this one? Can you see?
Mm,
Okay.
uh,
What am I holding now?
uh, it's a phone.
Okay, I am holding phone. Okay. So I will sell this to you. I will
Uh,
sell this. Okay, I will translate this one. Okay, Kong. I will sell this to you in Vietnam. How much this? It's 1,726,858. Okay, will you buy this phone?
uh, 1 million, right?
Yeah, 1,726
Um,
and 858.
yes, I buy.
Okay, so it says that you you accept the price that I said, okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now, can you give an example also? Just pick anything there in your table. even a ball pen, a pen, a paper, or anything. And then you are going to sell that item to me, okay?
Okay. Um.
Okay. Okay, what is the item that you're going to sell?
I think I will sell. Uh,
What's that?
sell my bag to um for
Okay. Okay, you will sell your bag. Okay, how much is your bag?
$450,000.
Okay, it's in our money here in the Philippines. It's 1,402. It's 1,042.35. Okay, Kong, I will buy the one and I will give it to my brother. Okay, very good, Kong, that you sell one item. Okay, the question is, or the statement, can you please read this one?
Um, I can bargain for lower price very well.
Okay, very well, very good. Okay, next. I can.
I can suggest a different price very well.
Okay, very well. Okay, very good, Kong. Okay, so this time I'll give you a clap because you did a selling of item. Okay, now let's go to number 23. What is the question?
Do you ever buy book?
Okay, Kong, do you ever buy books?
No.
Oh, okay. Student A, ask student B how often do they do things. Use two of the ideas below. Okay, you are the student B and you're going to answer my questions, okay?
Okay.
Alright, Kong. The first thing is how do you how many times or how do you often do or going online?
Um,
How often you go online? You want me to
um,
translate?
no. Um, I sometimes.
Okay, you go online
Sometimes.
sometimes. Okay, next. How often you read newspapers?
Um, pay, newspapers. Never.
Okay, you will say I never
I never
read
read. I never read newspaper.
Okay, I never read newspapers. All right. How about how you how often you open your email?
I often.
Do you have email?
No.
No. Okay. How often you rent DVDs?
Um, I never rent DVD.
Okay. Now in letter B, oh no. I can ask about frequency. So what is your answer? Very well. I need more practice.
I need more practice.
Okay, very good. Next, I can describe frequency.
Um, I need more practice.
Okay, I need more practice. Very good. Now let's go to number 24. Your phone is so cool. Student A and student B describe an item you own or something you are thinking of buying. Include at least 3 features, okay? Alright, Kong. First, you are going to say one item, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so the instruction here is describe an item you own. Okay, so what are the 3 items that you own? Can you please give the 3?
I have a
What?
a
What's that?
phone.
Hello, I can't hear you.
Oh, can you hear me?
Okay, that's good. Okay, again, what are the 3 items? Okay, or no, not just items. You can say 1 or 2 item only, okay?
Okay. Um, my phone.
Okay, so your phone. What is the brand of your phone?
My phone has.
Okay, very good. So you've got an iPhone. How will you describe that? Okay, can you please say something of your item?
Uh, is is uh is
Okay, you
yeah,
can.
yellow.
Uh,
Yellow.
okay, you will say that my phone is color yellow.
My phone color is yellow.
Okay, very good. And then another 3 features. Okay, you've said already yellow color. Okay, you have 2 more left.
My back.
Aside from the color,
My back
I
is
can hear you.
uh is color is uh its color is uh blue.
2.
Blue.
Okay. Okay, is it big or small?
It's big.
Okay, that's big. All right. Is it helpful?
Uh, yes.
Okay, I can describe the features of something. Is it very well or I need more practice?
Uh, I need more practice.
Okay. Next, we are going to know asking about quantities and talking about quantities, okay?
Okay.
So, do you eat much fruit, Kong?
Yeah.
Okay, so can you please say something about the fruits that you eat? What do you like from the fruits?
I like apples, watermelon,
Okay, you like apples and watermelon. How about other fruits?
um, food. Um, I eat rice, bread, and
Oh, so
um,
you love to eat rice and meat.
yes.
Oh. How many times you eat fruit in a week?
Uh, um, uh,
Okay, how many days in a week? There are 7 days. Okay, so what are the days in a week? Can you please say something?
uh, um,
Kung what are the days of the week? It's Monday. We start
it's
from Monday.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Okay, you've said Saturday and Sunday. What do you call the 2 days in a week? There are days that called as weekends. So what are those?
Um, they are
What are the There are 2 days in a weekend. So what are those?
the Saturday and Sunday.
Okay, very good. So the question is, how many times you eat fruit? Do you eat fruit on weekdays or weekend or every day?
Weekdays.
Okay, every day. So what is your favorite fruit again?
Um,
It's
is rice, bread, and chicken.
okay. So kung this will be the end of our lesson tonight, okay?
Okay.
So do you understand our lesson regarding the activity here?
I understand.
Okay, do you know how to put
Uh,
prices for the items?
yes.
Okay, kung. So this will be the end of our lesson tonight, okay?
Okay.
Okay. But wait. We have more. 40 some 15 seconds. Okay, Kong. So our next activity is reading the vocabulary and answering the correct food categories. Okay. All right. So see you again next time, Kong. Bye bye.
Have a
Good
good night.
night.